unong hilam kuliang persya yang nomor tawain kajelau Dr. Mukul sama hakasi balang uloong badalile kin AILAD baka jela kan ngam ne JOT na kajersi jong BAMSAP habakaran bergilar petai kubor Dr. Mukul uloong baka tai kajersi BAMSAP halau do yang kalapoi hadu uput balami sendan dakikan hon menpniya yo do yang menti bi ai na kajela nolokan uloong baki dan ke ujor halau do yang bi ai henry na kidau bamla bantip kalaweng no ya kacing ujor jong kipat kabalabu ik bapun haka umdum
any extent to see that the sense of responsibility prevails and people fear to engage in rampant and continuous corruption. Now look at how the government of the day has been trying to somehow delay the whole process of investigation even after what has been attended to by the mandate of the law by the Lok Ayukta. And this is a serious trend, unprecedented and unwanted trend. If we want anti-graft law to actually prevail and ensure that the state ultimately becomes, as desired by the people, a corrupt-free state, and people in public life and the government employees maintain probity of utmost high order. That is the intent of the law. What is happening is that there's a complete attempt of the government to scuttle this process of law, and we will not allow it. We will not allow it. We will pressurize the government to ultimately allow the anti-graft law to prevail and ensure that state of Meghalaya is not defamed or subjected to that kind of narrative which revolves around corruption and irregularities. Now what is Meghalaya being referred to as? Yes, denial. It's a denial mode, continuous denial mode. At any point of time, I will suggest let the government provide its nominee or representative and provide anybody from the government along with friends from media and independent bodies, including other political parties, to go and see what's happening on the ground zero. To substantiate his claim that there is no illegal mining going on and there has been no such illegal mining. I'm ashamed of the statement. Everyone knows what's happening. You just go to the national highways, you go to Assam, there is a cartel working. They have created a cartel. They have created a cartel to engage in irregularities, depriving the state of its scarce resources, depriving the autonomous district councils from its scarce resources, and vitiating the environment and bringing bad name to the state. Talking about scarce resources. And look at this just one example I have placed before all of you to understand, even for anybody, any citizen, any common man to understand how state is being deprived of the resources. And this gives you lots of interpretation, gives lots of interpretation for the people of the state. What is their purpose? What is their intent? Is their intent to loot the coffer of the state through this kind of mechanism or something else, or really for the interest of the state? That narrative will generate, and that is exactly what will ultimately augur well for the state. If we keep quiet, that means, yes, we agree for whatever they do to destroy the state. No, we will not allow this state to be destroyed.